Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, the revolutionary poetess of India. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan, 1904-1948, is one of the most celebrated figures in Indian literature and history. Renowned for her poignant poetry and fiery patriotism, she is best known for her poem, Jhansi Ki Rani, which immortalized the valor of Rani Lakshmi Bai and became an anthem of Indian nationalism. Chauhan's contributions extend beyond literature. She was also an active participant in India's freedom struggle, blending her artistic talents with her unwavering commitment to the nation. Her life and work continue to inspire generations of Indians, especially women, to stand up for their rights and contribute to society. Early life and education, birth and family background. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan was born on August 16, 1904, in Nihalpur village, near Prayagraj, then Allahabad, in Uttar Pradesh, India. She was born into a family that valued education and culture, which played a significant role in shaping her literary and patriotic inclinations. Education. Subhadra received her early education in Jabalpur, where she developed a love for reading and writing. Despite the societal norms of the time, which often limited women's access to education, her family encouraged her to pursue her literary interests. By the age of 9, Subhadra had already started writing poetry, displaying her natural talent for verse and her deep empathy for social issues. Marriage and early writings. Marriage to Lakshman Singh Chauhan. At the age of 16, Subhadra married Lakshman Singh Chauhan, a lawyer and fellow nationalist. Her husband was a supportive partner, encouraging her literary pursuits and activism. The couple had 5 children, and Subhadra skillfully balanced her roles as a mother, wife, and poet, never letting her domestic responsibilities hinder her passion for writing and activism. Early writings and themes. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan's early works were marked by simplicity, emotional depth, and a strong sense of social justice. Her poems often revolved around themes of patriotism, the plight of women, and the struggles of the poor. She wrote in Hindi, a language she believed was the voice of the common people, and her style was straightforward yet powerful, making her work accessible to all. Role in the Indian freedom movement, activism and arrests. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan was deeply influenced by Mahatma Gandhi and actively participated in the non-cooperation movement in the 1920s. She was a strong advocate for women's participation in the freedom struggle and believed that women had an equal responsibility to fight for India's independence. Her involvement in the movement led to her arrest several times, making her one of the first women in India to be jailed for participating in the nationalist struggle. Despite the hardships, Subhadra remained resolute in her commitment to the cause, using her poetry to inspire others to join the fight for freedom. Influence of Gandhi and nationalism in her work. Gandhi's ideals of non-violence and self-reliance greatly influenced Subhadra's writings. Her poetry often reflected the sentiments of the Indian populace during the struggle for independence, capturing the spirit of resistance and the collective yearning for freedom. Her works became a rallying cry for many, urging them to rise against colonial rule. Literary contributions. Jhansi Ki Rani. The most iconic of Subhadra Kumari Chauhan's works is the poem, Jhansi Ki Rani, written in 1925. The poem is a stirring tribute to Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi, who became a symbol of resistance against British rule during the Indian Rebellion of 1857. With lines like, Khub ladi mardani wo tu Jhansi wali Rani thi, she fought valiantly, she was the Queen of Jhansi. The poem encapsulates the bravery and determination of Indian women and has become one of the most recited and celebrated works in Indian literature. It was not just a poem but a powerful tool of motivation that inspired many to take part in the freedom struggle. Other notable works. Apart from Jhansi Ki Rani, Subhadra wrote several other poems and short stories that highlighted the social and political issues of her time. Her collection of poems, Mukul, and her stories in Bikhre Moti are notable for their exploration of themes such as women's empowerment, caste discrimination, and the suffering of the underprivileged. Her short stories often depicted the struggles of rural India, drawing attention to the lives of ordinary people. Through her vivid storytelling, she brought out the harsh realities of the time, while also advocating for social reform. Style and legacy. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan's writing is characterized by its emotional intensity, simplicity, and directness. She wrote in a style that was both lyrical and accessible, ensuring that her message reached a wide audience. Her legacy as a poet is not just in the beauty of her verse, but in the way she used her pen as a weapon in the fight for India's freedom and social justice. Personal challenges and later life. Struggles and determination. Despite her literary success and political activism, Subhadra faced numerous personal challenges. The constant pressure of balancing her roles as a mother, wife, activist, and writer took a toll on her health. However, her determination and commitment never wavered, and she continued to write and participate in the freedom movement until her untimely death. Death and posthumous recognition. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan died in a car accident on February 15, 1948, at the age of 43, just a few months after India gained independence. Her death was a great loss to the nation, but her legacy lives on through her writings and her contributions to India's freedom struggle. Posthumously, Subhadra has been honored in many ways. Schools and institutions across India have been named after her, and her works continue to be a part of the curriculum in Indian schools. In 1976, the Indian government issued a postage stamp in her honor, recognizing her contribution to Indian literature and the freedom movement. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan remains an enduring symbol of courage, patriotism, and literary brilliance. Her life was a testament to the power of words in shaping history and inspiring change. Through her poetry and activism, she not only contributed to India's independence but also paved the way for future generations of women writers and activists. Today, she is remembered not just as a poet, but as a revolutionary who used her art to ignite the flames of freedom and justice in the hearts of millions.